Are you kidding, right? You mean I gotta play with my nipples to get out of this frozen hell heap?
To overthrow me!
Kill, kill, kill.
Naomi!
I want to turn them all
Yes, Thane.
Oh. God, you're weird. Gets me more men! Or women. We're all about equal opportunity here at the Syndicate. Deception! Stop zombifying my dead henchmen! Or hence people.
Oh, but there's
Probably be more important than
Whoa! If you would just let me talk. No.
You messed up. You have one job, kid. One job!
Hey, Giuseppe, shut up.
Yeah, shut up, Giuseppe.
You shut up, Ricky! You weren't even there!
No, you shut up.
You shut up!
You shut up.
You shut up!
Why are you always so sensitive?
Boys, chill. Blast your guts all over this car.
Giuseppe, this is not your car, okay? I swear to God, if you ruin the interior of my car...
Ricky, I'm gonna take him outside before I do it.
Are you kidding, right? You mean I gotta play with my nipples to get out of this frozen hell heap?
What them Zulus do? Let's just say shit hit the fan.
The fuck are you looking at, bitch?
Fuck a vibe! I'm trying to find a raver chick that can handle her whiskey and likes to bang.
Chase your dreams. The right one will come along the way.
Yourself for once.
You know, I'm gonna go ahead and go get whatever it is that I got from doing this intergalactic treaty you keep talking about.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
And what are you gonna do?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna get high with space pirates?
Maybe. I don't think it's funny. You mean? If I'm. Why are you torturing me? Yeah, I was looking for an escape. Why would I come searching for a solution? Do you know what life is like? It sucks. It sucks worse than what's in here. Yeah. You got this one, and it's I'm a genie. Yeah. Something's wrong with this one.
Never mind. He's a nephew.